Friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to grant someone admin rights to a board on Pinterest. Now, once you're on Pinterest, wherever you may be, just click your profile on the upper right hand side. It's going to take you over to your saves and you can find your boards. So let's take this tech one as an example. In order to grant someone access admin rights to this board, click the pencil icon on the lower right hand side of that board. Now from here, scroll down to where you'll find the add collaborators or the collaborators section. Click the plus towards the right hand side and it's going to pop up a box here where you can easily type in the name or the email address of that person. So if I want to type, for example, Powell, for let's say somebody named Powell, I can go ahead and I can choose or find that person. Or let's say this person is Sandra or whatever it might be. Go ahead and add the name of the person or the email address of the person that you want to invite. But right before you do so, it's important to select the appropriate permissions to invite them as a admin. So how do you do that? Click this little arrow towards the right hand side here, and it's important to enable them the admin rights you want to choose to do everything. That's the first thing. They can add, move, or delete pins and sections, comments, and react to this particular board. Then at the bottom here, you will have the option where it says invitation. You want to allow them these options. So you want to give them option to invite other people to the board, and also people can request to join board. You can give them this option as well. So by giving them these three options is like giving them admin rights to this particular board. Once you select this, just simply go back and of course ensure that you add their email address or find them on Pinterest or even copy the link, and they will be able to be part of this board once they accept it as an admin. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.